Hi everyone, welcome back. So we're gonna use our chemistry tools in our student portal, our simulations. Let's go ahead and open it up. I've recently added in the atomic structure, electronic configuration. So this will be able to help us understand why your 4s electrons, right, they are being added first, but after we fill in the 3D electrons, your 4s orbital goes above the 3D orbital, okay, in terms of energy. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this one out. So first step is we want to pick any of these elements. Maybe we can pick like, I don't know, vanadium. Okay, so vanadium, we have to add quite a number of electrons. So the first 18 is filled up in the core orbitals already. So we just need to drag 4s fill first. Then after that, we fill 3D. Okay, so I want you to see that transition, right? When we fill the 3D electrons, the 4s electrons immediately flips above, higher in energy, because they are repelled by the 3D orbital, which are the 3D electrons, sorry. The 3D electrons are actually closer to the nucleus, so when they are filled, right, they will push the 4s orbital out through repulsion. Okay, so we go ahead and fill up some more. Okay, so that's all the valence electrons. So your vanadium, right, your valence electron will be 3d3 4s2. Okay, so let's basically clear it. Then we will pick another element. So let's say we want to pick like cobalt. Okay, cobalt. So again, we put the first two electron in 4s because they are lower energy. And then once we put the 3d in, you see the 4s is being pushed up. Okay, and then we fill up the rest. That's it. Okay, so the valence electrons is 3d7 and 4s2 for cobalt. Okay, let's clear it. Let's now maybe go with chromium. Okay, chromium, there's a special case, yeah, chromium special case. So if you look here, there's this card that says chromium and copper, they are exceptions. So they don't fill the 4s2 completely. They fill 4s1 so that they can get 3d5 or 3d10, okay, which gives them extra stability. Okay, so we're going to fill the 4s, and then after that, we'll go straight to the 3d. You can see that the configuration is 3d5 4s1 for chromium. So maybe let's go with the ions. Maybe let's go with iron 3. Iron 3. So we're going to build the iron first for S2. Then we have to put another, yes, inverted. And we have to put the rest of the 3D electrons like so. 3d6. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so now we have to remove 3 electrons, and we will have to start off with for S2. Okay, because now they are higher energy level. We remove, and we remove. Okay, so iron 3 plus is formed by removing 4s2, 2 of them, and 1 of 3d electrons. So now you're left with 3d5, and that is the configuration for iron 3 plus. Okay, so let's do maybe one more. Copper 2 plus. Copper 2 plus is 1. And then remember, copper is the exception, right? So now we start to fill the 3D. Okay, copper. Fill in the rest. We're done. Okay, so copper has a valence electron 3d10 for S1. So now we want to remove 2 electrons. We'll remove from the 4s, and then we'll remove it from 3d. Okay, so copper 2 plus valence electrons is 3d9. Okay, and that is the configuration for copper 2 plus. All right, so hopefully you learned something. You can come into the MBank student portal under simulations and come in and try it out yourself. This simulation is free to use. You join us in our Telegram group. we have videos, announcements, videos, teaching videos, worksheets, like tons of free worksheet, and also explainer videos like this. So see you inside. Bye.